Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the problem A of Codeforces round 742. So this is a very easy problem, which is Domino disaster. It's a very easy problem. So what here is given is we are provided with a string. So basically, the string. Basically, there is a grid of 2 rows and n columns. Okay, and we are provided with and there are some tiles of length 1 into 2. Means it is of 1 into 2. It means that it will that n tiles are required in that to be placed in that grid. Okay, n tiles are required. Okay, fine. So here it is given you have given with the arrangement of that tiles in the first row, and you have to output the arrangement of that tiles in the second row. So for example, it is given that there is only one column. If there is only one column and 2 rows, means only one tile is required, and it is given that in the first row the upper part of that tile is attached. Then in the below, what this should be is the means up, it is the up part of the tile. So here should be down part. If where it is a left and right, then in down it should be also left and right. If there is left and right, then here it also be left and right. But if there is down, then there should be up, and if there is up, then there is down. Basically, we have to do just we have to replace the character u with d and with d to u. This is my code. I have checked if it is u, then I have replaced with d. If it is d, u. Else, just add that character. If it is l or r, and then output the new string. So it's a very easy problem. I hope every one of you have done this problem, or maybe have getting the wrong answer because of some silly errors. So it's okay. I hope you like my solution. So subscribe channel for Codeforces Code Step videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you.